I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off. Goons in the club, case something jump off. Back up for the hive, let the pump off.
All right, hello you guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to be trying this TikTok by Andrea with the curls. I believe I'm saying that right, but it'll be in the description box below, of course. So here we go. I am combing through my hair so I can start to prep it to be styled. I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, 40 jumbo pins, and my Wetline Xtreme Gel to achieve this hairstyle. Now here, I'm defining through my hair. As I've always said, for the styling process, you want defined hair. Then what I'm literally going to do is take my hair and wrap it around my finger all the way up to the root. I didn't show how I got it to stay, but I used one of the bobby pins to secure it. And that's literally all you have to do for this style. I will say that instead of putting the bobby pins in downward, you should put them in upward, just so that if your hair decides to slip out, it won't have anywhere to go because the bobby pin will be there to hold it together. I also think that if I try to style again, I definitely will do real pin curls, like heatless, of course, but I will do it flat instead of doing them hanging. But that was just something that I thought of after the fact. I really didn't feel like talking, so this is why y'all hearing my voiceover or whatever. I just wanted to, well, I wanted y'all to have content, so I just really wanted to get that out to y'all. These are just, this is just me wrapping the hair around my finger and securing that with a jumbo bobby pin. That's basically what you're gonna need to achieve this style. I finally finished my whole head. Some of it looks a little bumpy just because the gel defined my curls like very well with the brush and everything. And so the next day I am spraying my hair with water and I'm going to take down with coconut oil. As you can see, my hair is very shiny and it has luster, and that's something I always strive for with styles like this. Not all of the curls came out the way that they were necessarily supposed to, but it was definitely different from some other styles that I've tried to do in the past. So I really enjoyed that about this style. So this is just me separating right now. Yes, I agree. I look a little crazy. You don't have to tell me. I see it too. Now I'm gonna pick through my hair, of course, because like, what's a style without picking your hair? That's so important. Y'all know me. I ain't doing no style without picking it. So I'm picking it so it's volumized to my liking and seeing what I can do with this. Now, I wasn't really, this afro look was really giving me like dream girls. It was really giving me like move, move. So I decided to put my hair up and a half up, half down. And that's what I'm doing here. And as you can see, now there's a look. There's something serious, something that we can work with. Okay, guys. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, guys. So this is my hair. Don't look at my face breaking out because it looks horrible. But this is how it came out. I don't know. I like it, but like, do I really like it? It's not terrible, but maybe it's just not what I'm used to. I kind of like it. Like, I never wear my hair like this, so it's definitely different. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. You guys know how I get it popping in my corner of the world, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this as much as I enjoy filming it, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. I'm sorry, is this B? And I don't do B's. I can't even record out here, yo. Bye, guys. Peace.